Hey everyone, welcome back to Tic Times, your one-stop destination for everything watches. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing a stylish beast, the Nautica N83 NAPMIF 303. This one's from the N83 series, known for its sporty, nautical-inspired designs. So let's dive right in. If you're passionate about timepieces, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. First off, let's talk packaging. Nautica keeps it simple yet sturdy. A classic yellow and blue box with the N83 branding. Opening it up, you're greeted with the watch, the manual, and the warranty card. And here it is, the NAPMIF 303 in all its glory. Design and build. This model features a 42mm round silver tone stainless steel case with black dial, 3 hands, date dial with luminant hands and black nylon slip-through strap. That dial. You get a black background with red, white and blue accents, clean, sharp, and easy to read. The N83 branding pops right above 6 o'clock. And the date window at 3 is a nice functional touch. Inside, this is powered by reliable quartz movement. So you're getting accurate timekeeping without any fuss. On the wrist, it feels great. The nylon strap is soft and comfortable, perfect for daily wear or even weekend adventures. It's water resistant up to 100 meters. So beach days? No problem. Pros and cons. Pros. Stylish nautical design. Durable build and strap. Lightweight and comfortable. Water resistant up to 100 m. Affordable price point. Cons. No chronograph or additional complications. Mineral crystal, not sapphire. But it's absolutely fine for the price. So, who is the Nautica N83 for? If you're looking for a stylish, casual sporty watch with a nautical vibe and great everyday comfort, this one's a solid pick. You can find this at online retailers. Prices usually float around 1,600 rupee to 2,200 rupees depending on where you buy. What do you think of the Nautica N83 NAPMIF 303? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you wear this one? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a tick from our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.